Hi, I wanted to show this Philips FY0900 replacement filter, which is actually supposed to be for my air purifier, this unit. So my air purifier is the AC0820 or /30. Interesting naming way. But I'm gonna show you the close-up of my unit so that you can know that this is the same unit that you may have. Alright. Cleaning of particle sensor. Alright. So this is the unit I have. And it is now time to change the filter. And when I ordered this online, at first I thought like they sent me the wrong filter because the old cartridge is like this big and it came in this small package. So I thought that perhaps they sent me the wrong unit, but apparently they didn't, and I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna start off with showing you the box. So I'm gonna tilt this down. So this is the Philips FY0900. This is a side view. I think I should do a close-up for you so you can know like how to replace your filter. So 5 seconds, you just inflate itself, which is interesting. I'm not quite sure what this means. Put inside. Alright, let's see. Alright, so this is the other end, the back. Alright. Created pre-filter close up in case if you want to look at the details. Alright, so this is the other side. So the box is made of 100% recycled paper. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so voila. So that's how I know that I got the correct filter. They actually squeezed it into this small box, which is amazing how they engineered this to withstand this. Because those maybe this is made in China also, but the usual China third-party ones, they actually just ship it as is, which is the square cube kind of way. And this one, they just actually squeeze it into this small form factor. This is made in China as well. Okay, the design, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this out. Alright. And I'm gonna I think it's vacuum packed, see? It's a vacuum. And yeah. Fascinating. So I'm gonna cut this, and after I do, I'm gonna allow it to sit for 5 seconds so that it can resume its design form. Okay. Cut this. Alright, so take this out, and I'm not sure if I should push this. I guess just leave it be first. Let's see if it changes shape in about 5 seconds. Let me see the instructions again, what it says. So take out the old one, push it down. Okay, so I need to actually push it back into shape. Alright. Alright. I think it's getting there. A bit scary to actually exert so much force into this thing. But okay, let's see. Alright. Oh no. I think I folded this part a little bit. Hope it's okay. Oh, okay, so this is the frame which actually gives it structure. So I think I understand what the picture is about now. So after waiting for 5 seconds, okay, then I'll put this frame thing onto it. But there's more reading material, so we're gonna go through that as well together. So let's try this. Let's open this up. Okay. So reading material, and it's like a ring on. These look identical, so I guess I can use it both sides. Anyways, alright. Those are identical both sides. Okay. Alright. So I see. Okay. It's better filtration. Okay. So after I put it in, I need to press both. But I don't have that button. Mine is the old version. But I guess it means that I need to press this 3 seconds. Okay. I think this is exactly the same instructions but in color. So open it up, put it in both sides, up and down, then put it in. Alright, so if you like to read details, so here's a zoom reading. You can look at these things. These are the instructions. I'm not sure how, like just now, the zoom view is not as sharp. Alright, okay. So there you go. Now I'm gonna put in the ring. So let's see. Okay. I got the first ring in. It gives it structure. It feels, you know, more solid now. More structure. And second ring. Gives it more. Push it in like this. Alright. Seems to be looking fine. So I guess, like, you know, the words means that I need to put it like this. But I think probably it works both ways. But I'm gonna put it like this since, you know, the words is oriented this way, the print. So I'm gonna put it in this way. Okay, so next I'm going to open my old filter, old air purifier, my air purifier. Alright, and I'm gonna insert this in. I'm gonna move the camera so you can see more of what I'm doing. So okay, like this. In it goes. Okay. Is it okay? Let me check. Okay. Okay. Alright, then I'm gonna lock it up. Push in, turn. Okay, there's a clack sound, so that means it's in tight. So the switch is on. I put it on. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the plug. So this is a plug. Plug in the plug. And flip it again. Okay, now I'm gonna plug in the power. Okay, so I have plugged in the power on that side, and alright, just turn on already. So I'm gonna long press as in the instructions. 1, 2, 3. Not sure if it does anything. Okay, so you can hear the sound. Maybe it's working now. So there you go. That's how you replace the filter on this air purifier, which is the 820 series. And that's the filter that I put on. Right? It's kind of noisy, so we're gonna turn it down a little. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining by, and if you like this video, if you find it really helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much again. And before you leave, I wish to let you know that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves all of you, and He gave His life for you on the cross. So when you accept Him, you accept not only His salvation, you also accept the sickness and disease that He bore for you, because by His stripes you are already healed from head to toe, and also all your griefs and sorrow is also healed by Him through this. So I would like to invite all of you to accept Jesus Christ into your heart. You just reach out to Him, ask Him how you can have Him, or talk to Him. Just talk to Him as a person. Just tell Jesus that you want to know more about Him, and He will guide you. Alright, so again, I thank you for dropping by, and see you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.